Hey guys, it's William, and I've been wanting to make this video for a while. A lot of my people are reaching out and asking me how many days can they fast, how many days is it okay to fast, and I'm making this video especially for Camille K from England. And this is what I call the grab test and also the pound of fat. Guys, a pound is basically half a kilogram. I'm just going to use pounds. You can double the numbers, okay? So guys, 1 pound of fat looks the same as like a coffee cup. So what I do is called the grab test. You grab a piece of fat, and you think, how many coffee cups is it? Okay? So here's a pound, here's a pound, here's a pound. Okay, do it everywhere, even the small fat you have, like even on your arms, even on your face. And figure out, like, okay, I have like 8 or 9 pounds of fat to lose. And this is all subcutaneous fat, which means the fat that we can see and feel. There's also something called visceral fat, and that's the fat in our organs, but we really cannot see that or feel that. So guys, each pound of fat is 3,500 calories. So a kilogram of fat, 2 big handfuls, is 7,000 calories. Okay, so you can look up something called your BMR. That is your basal metabolic rate. That means if you laid in bed all day, you didn't move, how many calories would you burn? So go online, BMR Calculator, you enter your age, your weight, and your gender, and it will tell you how many you burn a day just by living. You can also look up your TDEE, your total daily energy expenditure. That's like BMR plus activity. So I would say 28, male, 76 kilograms, and active. It would say, okay, you burn 2,600 calories a day. So guys, I can use my TDEE to figure out how many calories I burn per day. So if I have 7 pounds of fat, 7 times 3.5 is like 25,000 calories. So I've got 25,000 calories of fat on my body. Then I take 25,000 calories divided by my TDEE of like 2,500 a day. So guys, I can figure out I can fast for 10 days healthy. I will not lose any muscle. I will not lose any muscle on a fast if I keep it at 10 days. And of course, during your fast, reevaluate. Are you losing weight too quickly? If so, figure out how many pounds or kilograms of fat you have. So again, what we're doing here is we're doing the grab test plus your TDEE and dividing it by 3,500 calories, okay? I think I said everything I want to say in the video. Camille K, thank you for the questions. I'm glad I got to make this video. And let me know if you have any questions below, okay? Thank you guys so much.